Hi guys and welcome to Throwzone.com. This is Mohit Soni. What you're looking at is the Bajaj Chetak for the year 2024, as well as this is the 2903 variant, replacing the 2901 variant that was launched initially. And this is something that is makes a comeback with certain changes. And as we know, there are a lot of variants and packs to choose from. So let me try and simplify this for you as soon as possible. This will come with only drum brakes, and this will only come with your key here, and continues to have an LED DRL with a horseshoe shape, of course. And you press it like this. You can do like this. After you shut off the ignition, you can access the boot space, which is 21 liters. That is the charging point right there. Technically, we've already ridden this scooter in the 2901 format, and you can go to that review and check out if you are really keen on understanding how it rides. Right now I can tell you that this is a scooter that will give you 63 kilometers of top speed, 123 kilometers of range. Of course, it's a full metal body, one of the most high quality, most reliable scooters in the country right now. At the same time, this is a colored LCD digital instrument cluster over the 3202 variants. This was the screen earlier. Now this is the colorized of the version of that same screen, and it is a pretty good unit, so which is great. And same high quality fit finish, very good, top notch. And what you get with this scooter is Bluetooth connectivity. You can't have app connectivity with this at all. And you get eco and sport mode, which automatically get activated at the side kind of speed that you are at, which is very impressive. You can get music control, hill hold, reverse light, guide me, home lights, display theme image, which you can see here. And apart from that is part of the tech pack. So let me just show you the tech pack here. For 3000 rupees you can get all of these 4 features. Now going down, you can see roadside assistance is available for 800 rupees, extended warranty is available for 6000 rupees, and that is, you can see here as well. And that is how the nomenclature for the name goes by. And those are the standard features on the 2901, which is now the 2903. So just excuse the old hoarding here, board here. And that is the blue color on offer with the scooter. And of course this is the red. You get these colors here, and the pricing, as you can see, is 1 lakh rupees. And you get a standard warranty for 3 years and 50,000 kilometers, so which is good. Extendable is for 5 years and 70,000 kilometers. Again, like I told you, I have ridden this scooter technically, and this is a scooter that delivers 80-85 kilometers of range very easily, charges within 4 hours. The bigger scooter here charges now within 3.5 hours, which is very impressive. And right now we're concentrating on this 2903 because there is going to be a lot of confusion. You will at least have to spend an hour continuously trying to understand what this is. Once you do, then it's quite easy, but you will have to give it time, that's for sure. So this is what the 293 is all about. 1 lakh rupee scooter, that's the most important part. And you're getting good color options, a minimum tech pack which only costs 3000 rupees. Even if you pay money, you can't get the features on the what you are available on the 3202. And there is only Bluetooth connectivity on this 2903. That is another big highlight. Even if you pay, you can't get the app connectivity on this, as you can see here. So a good move by Bajaj to make sure that you are getting what you want, and you can customize it a little bit. If you feel that you are lacking a bit of features, you will of course buy a lifetime tech pack for 3000 rupees. And that is what makes the 2903 very special, very unique, and very affordable for a lot of people. The Chetak has picked up suddenly over the last 1 year because of its the way it's been doing in terms of quality, sales, reliability, service. Bajaj knows how to do those things for a very long time, and they finally brought the Chetak name back with a big bang, a much appreciated one, a very good move. Getting everything right isn't easy at first go, even for legacy manufacturers, but Bajaj has shown that this is the right way to do it. There could be other ways to do a lot of things, but this is how it has worked for Bajaj. Let's see how others respond to this. There is of course a lot of other competition in this segment, but right now that's it. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time in the next video. Goodbye.